Hello student, in the previous video I taught you the explanation of how to draw angle bisector and how to take a perpendicular bisector. Now I will teach you the practice set 1 of your textbook. So our first question is, draw line segment of the lines given below and draw their perpendicular bisector. Now what you have to do, you have to draw their perpendicular bisector. Now I teach you in the previous video that how to draw a perpendicular bisector. That only you have to do. See, they have given you 5.3 centimeter. That means you have to take a scale and take 5.3 centimeter of it. See, from 0 I will take exact 0 up to 5.3. See here, the 3 is written, and I will join this line. I will join this line and I will write here 5.3 centimeter, and imaginary alphabet I will give like A or B. Okay, then you know how to take a perpendicular. More than half I will take, see, and I will cut here, and at the I will cut here, and same at the down I will do, and here also. And I got the 2 points. Now I will join this 2 points. So I got a perpendicular bisector. So imaginary name I will give CD. Okay, this how we draw perpendicular bisector. Now we shift to question number 2. Draw angle of the measure given below and draw their bisector. Now you have to draw angle bisector here. See, bisector. Now you know how to draw angle bisector. First I will draw a imaginary line. Then I will take a D. See, first see this, what they have given first, 105. That means this is obtuse angle. More than 90 degrees obtuse angle. So we will see here where is 105. See, here is 105. Okay, see 100 and 110. So in between there is 105. So I will join this line and I will write here 105 degree. Now I will bisect this angle. Less distance I will take from here. I will cut this, and here also I will cut, and same distance I will keep here, and I will cut here also. I will cut. You can extend this line arc. Now you have to join this. So this is our angle bisector. So imaginary name I will give like A, B, C, and this is P. Not here. Students, put here P. Okay. So this is our angle bisector of obtuse angle. Now we will see the next 55 degree means acute angle. Now we will draw the acute angle less than 90 degree. Again I will take a imaginary line. With the help of D I will draw. Hello students, in the previous lecture I taught you question number 1 and question number 2 of problem set 1. Now I will shift to question number 3. Draw an obtuse angle triangle and a right angle triangle. Find the point of the concurrent of the angle bisector of each triangle. Where do the point of concurrency lie? Now you have to draw an obtuse angle. and right angle. First we will draw obtuse angle and we will see their concurrent, where the concurrent point lies. So obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. So you can take any imaginary obtuse angle. Suppose I am taking 120, that is more than 90 degree. Now I will put a imaginary name A, B, C. Now I will take a rounder and I will cut one arc here, one here, and again I will put on C. I will cut one arc here and one here. Again on A, one arc here, one arc here. Now I will put my rounder point on arc and I will make another arc over here, and here also same thing I will do. Now I will join this B arc. This is bisector of B, and again I will take a rounder, same distance. I will cut one arc here and same here. So again I will join point C with arc. Now I will take from A, I will cut one arc here and another here. I will join this A with my A arc. So I got the concurrency point. Okay, so this is the point of concurrent we got. The same thing I will do with right angle. Now you know right angle means 90 degree angle is a right angle. So I will draw a right angle. See, this is 90 degree. So I will join it. So this is my right angle. I will put imaginary name N. Again I will bisect it. Here, then again I will put here, I will cut here and here. Now I am joining this arc. Again I will do with N, same thing. I will make a arc, and on keeping on arc I will make another arc. Then I will join that N and arc, and again I will do with N, L, and I will join L with my new arc. So I got the concurrent point inside it. So what I will write at the down, therefore in the interior of the triangle, that means the point are interior in the triangle, that we have to write. Now I shift to question number 4. Draw a right angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisector of each side. Where does the point of concurrent lie? Now you have to draw a right angle triangle and you have to show perpendicular bisector. Here we have done an angle bisector. Now here I will do perpendicular bisector. Now you know how to take a perpendicular bisector. So you have to draw a right angle triangle. I will draw one imaginary line and with the help of D I will take 90 degree, that is right angle triangle. Now I will join this. Now imaginary number I will put. Now you have to do perpendicular bisector, that you have to take more than half. In question number 1 I taught you how to take perpendicular. So more than half I have taken here. Same thing you have to join here. Now you get the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Now same thing I will do with QR, Now same thing I will do with PQ. Again I will take more than half, make arc here and here. Again on P I will make arc here and here. I will join this. So this is our perpendicular of segment PQ. Now again for PR I will do the same process. I will take more than half of PR and I will cut. I will make an arc, and from P also I will make an arc. Now I will join these two arcs. So this is my perpendicular bisector of PQ. So see, all points are lying in the hypotenuse, right? This is hypotenuse, you know. So we will write, therefore hypotenuse of the side which it lies. Okay, now question number 5. Maithili, Shaila and Ajay live in the 3 different places in a city. There is a toy shop equidistant from their houses. Which geometrical construction should be used to represent this? Explain your answer. Now we will see explanation of this question in rough diagram. Now see what they have said, that Maithili, Shaila and Ajay live in 3 different places. So see, Maithili, Shaila and Ajay live in 3 different places. There is a toy shop equidistance. Equidistance means same distance है हर एक उनके घर से, toy shop in between. Okay, and you have to do geometrical construction and show this, how to take this triangle. Now this triangle is equilateral triangle. Now you know because of equidistance word. So this side is equal with this side and this side is equal with this side. That means 3 sides are equal. So we will draw this triangle in fair with geometrical instruments. Now with the help of ruler I will take a imaginary number, like see what we have done in previous video, that 5 centimeter I have taken here, 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter. That means this is equilateral triangle. Suppose A, B, C. Okay, this how we have to take. So with the help of ruler I will draw 5 centimeter our base. Same distance 5 centimeter I will take with the help of ruler. exact 5 centimeter. I will make a arc and I will make another arc. Now I will join these points, that is A, B, C. 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Now with the help of rounder I will take a perpendicular bisector. Okay, now you know perpendicular bisector more than half. So of AC I am taking perpendicular bisector more than half. I am making a arc here and again I will make a arc here. Then I am keeping my rounder point on A. I will make another arc and here also another arc. So we get point, 2 points. So I will join this 2 arcs. So this is perpendicular of segment AC. Now same thing I will do with base, same distance. I am keeping my rounder point on B. I am making a arc here and here. Same thing I will keep my rounder point on C, making a arc over here and here. Now I get 2 arcs. I will join this 2 arcs. So I get a perpendicular bisector of segment BC. Same thing with BA. Again more than half. I will make a arc here, here. Again I am keeping my rounder point on A. I will make a arc here and here. So we get again 2 arcs. Now I will join this 2 arcs. That means I got a perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Now I got a center point. Now I will keep my rounder point here and A. I will join this BC. Okay, so this is our semicircle of this triangle. Okay, this is a geometrical construction which I have shown of question number 5. Thank you student. In the next video I will teach you practice set 2.